慢点，慢点，慢点！停！刹不住了，慢点！哎！哎！救他一命！我操！救了他一命！
Due to heavy fog and slippery road conditions, the Henan Taihui Expressway experienced a rear-end collision of several vehicles.
别发朋友圈啊！
别躲呀，光不发朋友圈。
你快躲！别拍了，别发朋友圈。
According to the Henan Highway Police Joint Command Center, at around 10 o'clock a.m. on February 1, the southern section of K9 on the Henan Taihui Expressway frontage experienced a rear-end collision. In the eastbound direction, there was a rear-end collision of several vehicles, and then road administration officers and traffic police arrived at the scene to deal with it. The road surface was slippery and visibility was low and rainy, snowy and foggy weather. Several drivers got out of their cars and stood on the side of the highway, waving at the vehicles behind them, signaling them to stop. However, due to low visibility, when the drivers behind them saw them and applied the emergency brake, they were too late to stop.
慢点，慢点！哇塞，地上铁矿了！我操他妈！啊！慢点，慢点，慢点！停！ 一会儿他妈急升上车了，我操！慢点，慢点，慢点！刹不住了，到这儿都刹不住。坏了，今天走不了了，我操他妈！那个人不打双闪，知道吧？慢点，慢点！哎！哎！
On the 2nd, the reporter learned from the Puang Highway Traffic Police Detachment that the accident had been handled and no casualties were reported. The reporter learned from the Taken County Emergency Management Bureau that the road where the accident occurred had returned to normal.
这里封路了，路。 这事故他妈今天处理不完。哎，慢点！救他一命！我操！救了他一命！
Rescue workers quickly rushed to the scene to carry out rescue operations, and the specific casualties are still being verified. We would like to remind all drivers to maintain a safe distance when driving, pay attention to road conditions, and ensure safe travel.
咱这还够。